So, you're inside a human body. Don't ask how. Science happened. Moving on. You are now roughly the size of a single red blood cell. Everything around you is dark, wet, and pulsing. And unfortunately for you, everything here wants to digest you. Welcome to the most hostile war zone on planet Earth, and it's currently inside your neighbor, Dave. Today, we're going to find out hour by hour exactly how long you would survive trapped inside a living, breathing human body. Spoiler alert, Dave's immune system has absolutely no chill. Dave has no idea you're in there. Let's go. Most people think the human body is a nice, organized place. You've seen the diagrams in school. Colorful, labeled, peaceful. Neat little organs doing their jobs and friendly cells holding hands. Yeah, that's a lie. The human body is actually a lawless war zone that never stops fighting. Right now, your immune system is hunting and destroying millions of invaders every single second. Your stomach is constantly brewing acid strong enough to dissolve metal. Your stomach, by the way, is dissolving itself right now. It just keeps making new walls fast enough that you don't notice. And your heart is pumping blood with enough force to shoot it 9 meters into the air. And you? You are an unidentified illegal foreign object that just suddenly appeared inside Dave's bloodstream. Dave's body doesn't want to talk. It has exactly one job right now: destroy you immediately. So, yeah, Dave would not have survived orientation week. Hour 1. The bloodstream. You land in the bloodstream, and immediately the current grabs you. Blood moves at about 1.2 meters per second. That's faster than you can swim, and you have zero control. You are basically whitewater rafting in a river of red donuts. Around you are millions of red blood cells. Each one is now your size, carrying oxygen and completely ignoring your existence. But then you see them, the white blood cells. Dave's immune system. They move differently, slower, purposeful, like police cruisers on patrol. And one of them just stopped. It noticed you. Hour 3. The immune system. Here's the thing about your immune system. It has absolutely no chill. It doesn't want to negotiate. It wants to eat you. The giant white blood cell closes in, ready for phagocytosis, which is a fancy scientific word for digesting you alive. You have to run. You scramble through a capillary, barely escaping its slimy grasp. But congratulations, you just triggered a silent alarm. Dave has 4 to 11 billion white blood cells, and they all just got the alert. Running is now your full-time job. Hour 6. The stomach. To escape the white blood cells, you squeeze into a quieter chamber. Big mistake. Welcome to the stomach. You are now standing next to an acid lake with a pH level of 1.5. For reference, battery acid is pH 0. The stomach is not far behind. The walls are covered in thick, slimy mucus to protect them from digesting themselves. You have no mucus. You are just a tiny guy in a hoodie standing on a slippery ledge. The smell alone is... Actually, let's not talk about the smell. Just don't touch anything. Hour 12. The heart. Somehow you make it to the heart. It beats 100,000 times a day, pumping 7,000 liters of blood. Inside here, each beat feels like a small earthquake. The giant valves open and close like massive hydraulic doors. The sheer pressure with each beat throws you across the chamber. You've been thrown into a wall 47 times. You stopped counting. You are inside the world's most powerful pump, and it never stops. Hour 18. The brain. Next, you make it to the brain, a forest of 100 billion neurons firing electrical signals constantly. Standing here feels like standing inside a lightning storm. Every time Dave has a thought, crack, a bolt of electricity fires past you. Right now, Dave is trying to decide what to have for lunch. Yes, you are currently being electrocuted by someone's sandwich decision. The good news, the brain has no pain receptors, so Dave can't feel you. The bad news? Dave can't feel you. If you break something up here, nobody knows until it's too late. Hour 24. The exit. 24 hours. You survived the acid, the heartquakes, the white blood cells, and Dave's lunch thoughts. Now you need to get out. Looking around, unimpressed. The human body has several exits. We are not going to discuss which one you have to use. Just know it is definitely not the one you were hoping for. Sarcastic sign-off. Welcome back to the outside world. Your dignity? Completely gone. So, could you actually survive 24 hours inside a human body? Technically, yes. With significant psychological damage? Also yes. Here's what today taught us. The human body is not a peaceful place. It is a 37 trillion cell military operation running 24 hours a day with one single goal: keep Dave alive. Not you, Dave. You were just an uninvited guest in the most sophisticated survival machine ever built, and that machine nearly destroyed you about 14 times. The average human never thinks about what their body is doing right now. The 100,000 heartbeats today, the millions of immune cells hunting invaders, the acid dissolving lunch, the 100 billion neurons firing constantly. All of it, right now, while Dave worries about his sandwich. Kind of makes you appreciate being on the outside, doesn't it? Now, if you want to survive somewhere even more dangerous than Dave's body, hit that subscribe button right now. Because next week, we are going somewhere with less stomach acid, but significantly more existential dread. What happens when you are the last human alive on Earth? Subscribe. You do not want to find out alone. Look, your body is doing something extraordinary right now. 37 trillion cells, all working together, all for you. You didn't ask them to. You don't thank them. You probably spent today complaining about being tired or having slow Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, your immune system fought off roughly 100 billion bacterial invaders before breakfast. Your heart beat 86,000 times today. Your neurons fired so fast the electricity could power a light bulb. And you ate Dave's sandwich. Maybe, just maybe, the most amazing place you'll ever be isn't inside someone else's body. It's inside your own. Take care of it. See you in the next simulation.